welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this sadness makeup look from inside out. This is part of my 12 days of SFX-mas, and if you're new and you don't know what that is, for 12 days in the month of December, I'm going to be uploading a new Christmas inspired makeup tutorial. And the reason I feel like sadness is fitting is because she is all blue. And I associate blue body paint with Christmas because it reminds me of like snow elves and stuff like that. And she has like this really big white turtleneck, so for those reasons specifically, I thought sadness would fit well here. So if you guys are interested in seeing how you can turn yourself into sadness from inside out, then just keep watching. Spoops. So to get started, I'm going to be going ahead and popping in my blue contact lenses before going ahead and adding a little bit more detail to my wig, and by adding some glitter hairspray throughout the wig. And then moving on to makeup, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Skin sunscreen and applying this all over my face to help moisturize it. And then I'm going to be going into my Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying this over my face as well to prep it for my body paint, where I'm going to be taking my Moon Creations body paint in Sky Blue and applying this all over my face and down my neck using a fluffy foundation brush. I recommend using a fluffy foundation brush because this is going to help give you as little streaks as possible, make sure that everything blends in nicely and gives a nice airbrushed effect. I'm then going to be highlighting my face, taking my Made You Look body paint in Yeti and softly applying this under my eyes with a sponge before once again blending this out with the same foundation brush. I'm then going to be setting my face and neck just by taking some baby powder on a large fluffy brush and applying this all over my face. And then I'm going to be going ahead and contouring with my Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 palette, taking Lagoon. I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones and also bringing this down to my jawline as well. I'm also going to be deepening the contour by taking my Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, taking Make Waves, and I'm going to be applying this right over top of that contour. And this is going to help deepen the contour and also make it look a little bit more natural with some more dimension. I'm then going to be taking my Smashbox Toy for Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying this all over my eyelids before going back into my Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, taking Soft Spot, and I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelids. You also want to go ahead and apply this to your lower lash line as well. And then after that, I'm going to be going into Make Waves. And once again, I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of my eye and softly blending this in, and also applying this to my lower lash line. I'm then going to be taking the Mood eyeshadow and I'm going to be applying this to the inner corner of the crease. And once again, also make sure to blend this to my lower lash line. And now we should have this really beautiful gradient before we go into our ColourPop Disney Designer Big Tough Girl highlight. We're going to be using this to highlight our brow bone, but also apply this to the center of our eyelid and inner corner of our eyes. We're then going to be moving on to eyebrows. I'm going to be starting off by taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black and softly outlining and filling in my eyebrows before going ahead and moving on to some eyeshadow to help give it a little bit more color and dimension. I decided to go into my Carnival 3 Be Perfect palette, taking Lagoon, and I'm going to be applying this to the inner part of my eyebrows. And then for the arch, I'm going to be taking the Deep and just going ahead and filling this in with an angled brush. I'm also going to be using the Deep to contour my cheekbones a little bit more as well before going back into my Big Tough Girl highlighter and using this to highlight my cheekbones and also bring this down the bridge of my nose. I'm then going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Black Eyeliner and I'm going to be creating a nice simple wing on my upper lash line before moving on to taking my L'Oreal Silk-ㄍ eyeliner in charcoal and applying this to my lower waterline. I'm then going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in whatchamacallit, and I'm going to be going ahead and outlining my lips before going into my Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the color Sea Seduction and just going ahead and filling in my lips. And then I'm going to be topping this with my ColourPop Disney Villains Sad But True Lip Gloss to help give it a little bit of an iridescent sheen before going ahead and prepping my eyelashes by curling them and taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just sweeping this through both my upper and my lower eyelashes. And last but not least, I'm going to be taking my Lily Lashes in the style Miami and applying this to my upper lash line. And that is my completed sadness makeup look from inside out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And with all of that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!